Okay, so we're going in now. No, wait, we gotta wait. Yeah, so we already found something just chilling right outside. It's like this mattress.
I found the love of the... Wait, take it into the forest.
Don't. There's Casper.
Oh, and there's still move. I'm putting it into the forest.
Where's Casper?
Yours.
Okay, so we're gonna go in a second. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna go in now. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so this is my area. It's not that big. There is this area down here. It's a bit compacted. Yo, what the hell? Okay, I just been fooled by a white log. So this is the area I saw the sticks. So basically, the sticks in like a triangle, and there was
wait,
one.
Wait, point the camera at me.
Go my garden. Like this was in.
How much was that cost? Yeah, 60 quintillion. No.
Let me see. Yo, chat.
Yo.
Electricity. Okay, we're gonna go this way. There's not really a path this way, but like I would like to see some.
And guess what? I finally got joggers on.
You got joggers on?
I think we should go that way.
No, let's go this way. There's more stuff this way. I'm running, by the way. So. There's a lot of falling over trees here because of like high winds. So we're gonna go this way. If we see anything weird, I don't know what we're gonna do. Ow. I'm being touched up. The fuck? Now I'm actually gonna be touched. Oh, hell no. What now? What you doing? Okay, that's this little bamboo forest area. I love it. Hold on, what is this? For them trash bags. I don't even want to know what's inside them. It could be anything. Who was that? We're gonna go back. There's a different route. We took the wrong route.
Keith, remember the man that lived in that forest? Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's another part of the forest that we might explore.
No, that's not.
It is a bit scary. Where were we going? This way.
It'll be only used to at most. Don't really like going around. Leg down.
Wait, why is there Lego in here? That's not normal. That's not normal, chat. There's Lego. I forgot where I'm going. Forwards. This way. Ow. Oh shit. If I swear, I am very sorry. I don't mean to. Whatever this spot is, it looks pretty chill. We are right next to a highway, so. This area.
Let me go first.
Nah.
How close can we make a bit down?
What?
In here.
Yeah, mainly. Yo, this is going to be a chill spot, not gonna lie.
What's there?
Bench.
Wait, I could break this.
Nah, stop wiggling it.
What's it?
So we don't know what's in here. But I'm gonna... Where do we go?
Making a den, aren't we?
No. We could make a den, but like I could not be bothered. Who wants to make a den? Next video, maybe? Stop messing on. No. Yeah, there's nothing in this part, so...
I think we should explore up.
More up. Like, we can't really go up, there's not an entrance.
I think we'll get in here.
I might end the video now, so...
Bye, chat.
Bye.
What? Say
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
I don't really know what we found or what we did. It's quite boring, but like, if you like nature, then I would recommend watching this.